Attention makes language models sharp, but its memory cache grows with every token, so it is expensive on long inputs. State space models like Mamba are cheap and fast, but they blur the details. What if one layer could do both at once? That is Hymba, NVIDIA hybrid head architecture. In this video, the problem, what Hymba is, how a hybrid head works, its architecture, how it compares, the numbers, and when to reach for it. Start with the trade-off. Standard attention gives higher resolution recall, but it stores a key value cache that grows with sequence length, so memory and latency balloon on long context. State space models fix that with a small constant size state, so they are fast and light. But that same compression means they forget fine detail and struggle to recall an exact token from far back. Each approach fixes the other's weakness. So why not use both, inside the same layer? That is the core idea of Hymba. Instead of stacking an attention block, then a Mamba block, then another, Hymba puts attention heads and state space model heads side by side in a single hybrid head module. They both read the same input in parallel, and their outputs are fused. NVIDIA released Hymba in late 2024, and it was accepted at ICLR 2025. Here is how one hybrid head processes a token. The input, plus a few learnable meta tokens, feeds into both head types at once. The attention heads act like snapshot memory, giving sharp, exact recall. The state space heads act like fading memory, summarizing the whole context cheaply. Because their output magnitudes differ, each is normalized and rescaled by a learned vector, then the two are averaged and projected out. Zoom out to the full model. Small learnable meta tokens are prepended to every prompt. They store a compressed gist of world knowledge and stop attention from being forced to attend to nothing. The stack is then made cache cheap. Most layers use local sliding window attention. Only a few keep global attention, and neighboring layers share their key value cache. Together these shrink the cache dramatically. How is this different from earlier hybrids like Mamba or Samba? Those interleave the two mechanisms sequentially, a block of one type, then a block of another. Hymba instead fuses them in parallel within the same layer, so every token gets both sharp recall and cheap summarization at the same time. NVIDIA found this parallel fusion consistently beat the stack designs at the same size. Put the architecture side by side. A pure transformer has strong recall but a heavy, growing cache. Pure Mamba has a tiny constant cache but weaker recall. Sequential hybrids like Samba alternate blocks to get some of both. Hymba's parallel hybrid head gives each token both memories at once, and pairs that with meta tokens and shared local attention to stay small and fast. Now the headline numbers. NVIDIA Hymba 1.5 billion model outperforms every sub-2 billion model they tested, and on common sense reasoning it even beats Llama 3.23 billion, a model twice its size, by over 1% average accuracy, while using an 11 times smaller cache and running about 3.5 times faster. Smaller and better. Why is it so efficient? 3 moves. Local sliding window attention in most layers keeps each layer's cache bounded instead of growing with the whole sequence. Cross-layer key value sharing lets neighboring layers reuse one cache instead of 2. And the meta tokens offload attention's burden. The result is roughly a 4 times smaller cache and about 3 times higher throughput than a comparable transformer. In code, Hymba ships on the Hugging Face hub. You load NVIDIA/Hymba 1.5b base like any other causal language model, with trust remote code enabled, because the hybrid head is a custom module. There is also an instruction-tuned variant. From your side it behaves like a normal generative model. The hybrid heads and the cache tricks all live inside. Where does this shine? Small but strong models. Hymba packs top-tier quality into just 1 to 2 billion parameters, so it runs where big models cannot. Because there is no exploding attention cache, it handles long context comfortably, and its small memory footprint fits edge and on-device hardware. And higher throughput means you serve far more requests from the same GPU memory. Efficiency is the whole point. So when should you reach for a hybrid head design? When you need strong quality at a small size, on long context, or on memory-tight hardware like edge devices, where a fat attention cache would not fit. Think twice. when you just need a quick fine-tune of an existing transformer, or when your sequences are short, because then plain attention is simpler and the hybrid machinery buys you little. Quick recap. Attention is sharp but cache-heavy. State space models are cheap but forgetful. Hymba fuses both head types in parallel inside one layer, so every token gets snapshot and fading memory at once. Meta tokens, sliding window attention, and cross-layer cache sharing keep it small. The payoff, a 1.5 billion model that beats larger ones with an 11 times smaller cache. That is Hymba. Don't choose between attention and state space models, run them side by side. It is a strong sign of where efficient small models are heading. Did this make hybrid head architectures click? Follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns.